Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fund your Tradovate account. So first of all, you need to come here on tradovate.com. Afterwards, you need to click on the option of login tab on the top right hand corner, and then you need to simply log in into your account. Now, when you are inside your Tradovate account, you need to simply click on this application settings option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to go to the transfer and payments. Now over here inside your live account of Tradovate, you are going to see the fund account option. So this is where you are going to see all of the available funding methods for your account specifically. Now this payment method depends from country to country, and here as you can see I only have the add credit card option showing to me, but in your case there may be the ACH bank transfer option or debit card option or wire transfer option or any other options available. So you need to simply select that particular method with the help of which you want to fund your Tradovate account. After selecting that, you just have to simply enter the amount that you want to deposit. After doing so, you need to simply provide your payment details here, and then simply just conclude the payment and make the transaction. So once your transaction is completed successfully, you are going to fund your account, the information of which you can see by selecting this accounts section. Over here you are going to see the available balance in your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.